Hello guys, good day everyone. Pumunta pala ako sa bundok para magkuha ng kamote at saka mag-exercise na din para lumiit yung bilbil natin. Alright. Ano ba ginagawa mo dyan, tita? Kaway ka ng kaway? Nangangampanya ka ba dyan? Alright. Hindi. Kasi mangunguha tayo ng kamote. Excited na talaga akong makakita niyan, guys. And then now, I saw something different. It's kamote! This is for you guys, para sa inyo talaga yan, from my heart, and of course, from everyone that my followers and likers. So, nakakita na naman tayo ng pangalawang kamote dito, guys. So, kaway-kaway lang yan si ate, no? So, nakita na yan yung kamote na yan. Nekos mo na yan, charet. Alright. Bye-bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Para sa inyo ni